So what did I go through in 3 months on my no buy year, and what am I replacing and not replacing? Stay tuned. So here's everything that I went through in 3 months on my no buy year. I'll go through it by category, starting first with skincare, moving to hair care, and then makeup. And I'll talk to you about what I liked about it, what I didn't like about it, and if I replaced it. So the first item I'm going to talk about in skincare are sheet masks. And I went through 14 of them. 14 of them in 12 weeks. So that's a little more than one sheet mask a week. Typically I do about one sheet mask a week, but I had a small time in there where I had used a hyaluronic acid product, and hyaluronic acid does not get along with my skin. It dried me out like mad. It caused some issues with my skin, and I stopped using the product, and I was just hydrate. So the most of these masks are for hydration. And I still have quite a few masks to go through in my collection. Will I be replacing any of these? My answer is, on my no buy year, no. I'm going to go through the masks that I still have, and I'm not going to be using sheet masks going forward. The reason is these are incredibly damaging to the environment. And I have other products that can give me the same amount of hydration without having packaging that's a recycling of 7. All of these are going to end up in a landfill, and they're going to live there basically forever. So I am not going to be repurchasing any sheet masks on my no buy year. I also used one package of these Klorane Eye Patches, and they were lovely. I really did enjoy them. I'm not going to be purchasing these again because they are singly packaged, and Hannah Louise Poston convinced me that these eye patches are amazing, and she's right. So I have these eye patches. When these are done, I probably won't be repurchasing these unless I can find them secondhand because of this packaging. But what I do like about this is that these are not singly packaged. So buying them like this creates much more waste than buying them like this. And I love these as well. These are awesome. I also used up a sample of the Peter Thomas Roth Gold Mask, and I really did like this. I will not be repurchasing it because I have other masks still available in my collection to use up, but this was really nice. This made me feel great. The recycling on it is, I can't read it. It's a 1. So that's wonderful that this is a 1, and it is the most easily recyclable packaging, but it's still plastic. And I want to stop the demand for plastic packages. We have new innovations. There are packaging options out there that are not plastic. They are more expensive, which drives the price up of the product, but to me the price is worth it so that this doesn't get stuck in the blowhole of a dolphin if it's not properly recycled. And Shell Bizzle has a whole video on recycling. I will link it in the cards above so you can check it out, and she demystifies how things are recycled, when they're not recycled, and what you can do to have certain things like thin film plastics recycled. So this was really lovely, but I won't be repurchasing this, at least on my no buy year, because I have so much in my drawer, and I'm pointing down to my skincare drawer that you can't see. I also completely used up a sample of the Drunk Elephant C-Firma. This product is amazing. I bought this before my no buy year because of Hannah Louise Poston. If you've watched some of my other videos, nearly my entire skincare line is because of her and what she suggested. We both have dry skin, we both have acne prone skin, and I have totally ridden on her coattails because she has tried all sorts of products and found the ones that worked well for her skin, and she's right. This is a beautiful product. Absolutely love this product. I bought it prior to my no buy year. I bought it late in 2018. I actually have another sample here. I bought them off Poshmark, so even in 2018 I didn't create a demand for the product. I purchased it from a closet on Poshmark, not a boutique, a closet. And the packaging, recycling, there is no recycling symbol on here, so I'm not quite sure if this packaging is recyclable or not. Will end up in a landfill. Another sample I used up was the Fresh Black Tea Sleeping Mask, and I also bought this on Poshmark prior to my no-buy year, sometime in November, December of last year in 2018, and this is beautiful. I love this product. It is completely gone. I have wiped everything that I could out of here. This packaging recycling is a 5. This product itself is beautiful. I will not be replacing this on my no-buy year because I still have other sleeping masks to go through. I have a couple of samples, and then I found a company that makes skincare items, LOLI, L-O-L-I. I don't know if it's LOLI or LOLI. They make skincare items and they blow their competition out of the water with really caring about the environment, and I want to try their products. So once I am out of all my sleeping masks and different skincare items, I'm going to be focused on supporting LOLI and putting my green in their company because they really care about green. I also had a sample of the Roden and Fields Microdermabrasion paste, and this was a really lovely product. I very much enjoyed this product. I won't be purchasing it though because LOLI has, well, what did I replace it with? I replaced my Microdermabrasion and physical exfoliators because I am completely out of them. I replaced it with the LOLI corn grains, which I have over here. And I absolutely love this product. This is one of my new ride or die skincare products. Go LOLI. You guys are on fire. Keep it up. Love it. I completely used up the Purifying Peel Off Mask by Shills. And this was a really nice product. I very much enjoyed using this. I'm sure that you've seen the videos of people putting this on their face and then crying in pain as they ripped it off. I didn't have the painful experience with it that others have. My skin reacted very well to this formula. It did take the peach fuzz off, but for me it didn't hurt, and I actually liked having no peach fuzz because it helps with blush application and different things. I will not be replacing this peel off mask because I have others in my collection. After my no-buy year, I think I want to find something that has packaging that's more environmentally friendly. This product is amazing, just like this one. Love the product itself. I don't like that these packages are going to stay on Earth basically until the end of time. We can do better, and we have done better. The technology is out there, it just costs more money. It would cost the consumers more money to purchase it. And that brings up a whole other video that I want to do about money and finances, and can you afford it and can you not afford it, and really look at what you're buying. If you're buying $100 items, $101 items, why couldn't you afford one item for $50? Do you need those $101 items, or do you need just one product that does it well? That's a whole other topic. So, oh, and then skincare. So then I finished up this L'Occitane Light Comforting Cream. L'Occitane has the most beautiful products. I have been a supporter of theirs for years. Years and years and years. Now this packaging doesn't have a recycling available on it, a recycling number on it. I don't even know what it is. It's a plastic. It's a very thick plastic. But I completely panned this, completely used it up. Beautiful product. Absolutely love everything about L'Occitane. I'm going to drop this in my recycling bin, and we'll see if the recyclers are able to recycle it. I won't be replacing this on my no-buy year, but I would be looking at L'Occitane's products in the future because they have products that are in like aluminum packaging, tin packaging, metal. They have metal tubes of products, and those are more easily recycled than plastics. Highly, highly recommend L'Occitane products, but on my No by Year, I have so many other hand and body moisturizers that I have to go through. I don't think I'll have to replace anything for the next 8 months. And then I had a couple of samples come from LOLI. So when LOLI sent me their corn grains to replace my Microdermabrasion scrubs, my physical exfoliators, they sent a couple of samples, and one was the tea seed oil and the other one was a plum elixir oil. These products were absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm falling more and more in love with this LOLI company. They have amazing products. This tea seed elixir I have already purchased and it is awesome. It helps with acne. It keeps me moisturized. Love, love, love it. The plum one I haven't purchased yet. I don't know if I will purchase it on my No by Year because I have to figure out where it falls into my skincare routine and what product it would be replacing, but the tea seed elixir, awesome. And I'm going to be using the LOLI products to replace the Drunk Elephant product. While this is amazing, on my No by Year, I want to find other products that have better packaging. This serum, their formula is incredible. But I think I can do better by picking another product that will give me these same skincare benefits with a packaging that isn't harmful to the environment. So moving on to makeup, I completely panned a Jane Iredale blush in Barely Rose, and I absolutely loved this color, but I have other blushes. I have 4 or 5 other blushes in my collection, and I'm not going to be replacing this because I have other blushes. Now, I don't know if this is recyclable. I have no idea. It says made in the USA. That's really lovely. It was a beautiful formula. It gave me a perfect blush of color, not overwhelming, and it was buildable. Very, very, very nice product. But I have so many other blushes that I won't be replacing this on my No by. I also completely used up this Master Precise Skinny. Can you see that? Is it gonna focus? Maybelline's Master Precise Skinny eyeliner. I absolutely love this eyeliner. So this is completely panned. Like there's nothing else that I can pull out of here to show you. This is the finest tip mechanical eyeliner that I have ever found. I like to very tight line my eyes because I have huge hoods. And so to make it look like I have any of an eyelid, I really have to tight line it. These are so easy to control. Beautiful formula. It doesn't end up under my eyes during the day. Loved this. As of right now, I won't be replacing this. I won't be looking for it secondhand. I won't be looking for an environmentally friendly alternative to this because I have so many other eyeliners to go through. I have blacks and browns and burgundies, and I'm going to keep working through the stash of eyeliners that I have. I also have some pots of eyeliners that I have to learn how to use well. And once I make it through every eyeliner that I have, because I can also use shadow as an eyeliner, then I will decide if I'm going to go back and purchase another one of these. Beautiful, beautiful product. I also used up some Root Beauty Sensitive Facial Wipes. I won't be replacing the facial wipes because I have all sorts of other soaps and different things to use to take off my makeup. This is beautiful when I want to be lazy and not take off my makeup, but on my No by Year, I'm using up what I have, and right now I have enough face wash to use the face wash, to not be lazy, to get up out of bed, even if I've fallen into bed, to get up out of bed, go wash my face, and not replace these. Now this package, it has a recycling of 7 on it. This product, I am so sad, so sad. I'm not quite done. I have 2 left in my makeup drawer, but I have none left in the package. These Virgin Olive Oil Swabs by DHC, and amazing. They are little swabs. They are tiny swabs that come from Japan. They are little and precise, and you can clean up any makeup mess with these. I love the size. The oil that they use on here is beautiful. It doesn't make me break out. Love, love, love. Don't love the packaging. They each come individually wrapped, which has to happen, right? I don't know if there's another way for them to send these. And this creates a lot of thin film waste for the environment. I have not figured out what I'm going to do when these two are gone. I think I'm going to be saving these, and you'll probably see that I still have one left at the end of my No Buy Year because I absolutely love these, and I will have to save them for true makeup emergency situations. Absolutely love this product, but I need to find a more environmentally friendly product going forward. And this one, this is one that breaks my heart. And then the last thing I have is hair care. And my poor clip finally broke. It no longer springs back. It broke. And I use this every day to dry. Well, I use this every time I dry my hair. I don't wash my hair every day. I wash it once or twice a week. I would use this to hold up, to section my hair when drying it. And this has bit the dust. I wish that this had a copyright date on it, because it's gotta be, this poor clip has gotta be 15 years old. It's gotta be. And I am going to miss the heck out of this clip. I will not be buying another clip because I have other clips in my collection that will do the job on my No Buy Year. I have these. These are not going to be as easy to use as this guy, but they do the job. They will do the job, and part of my No Buy Year is using what I have to get the job done. And so while this died, I have some other clips I can use. Let's take a moment of silence for my more than 15-year-old clip. I loved you very much. So that is it. That is what I've used up in 3 months. My thoughts about the products, what I will be replacing, what I have replaced, and what I won't be replacing on my No Buy Year. As you live the dream this week, I hope that you be the change that you want to see. And rock on.